I'm Francis Tian Colasso, former Director General of Police of Karnataka State, and before that, I have been Director General of Police of Jammu and Kashmir also, many years ago. I wish to express my appreciation and admiration for Mr. Bhaskar Rao, Commissioner of Police, Bangalore City, for the manner in which he has managed to deal with a very difficult situation created due to the corona pandemic that has struck the whole world and India also in particular. We see that compared to most of other cities in the country and other states, Bangalore in particular and Karnataka state also has done a much better job in dealing with this pandemic. And in Bangalore, I think one of the reasons for the control of this and the control of the spreading of the pandemic has been the very excellent work done by the police under the leadership of Mr. Bhaskar Rao. I feel that he has used certain advantages which has helped him in doing this work so admirably. One of the things is he has got an excellent set of officers working with him who are young, energetic and capable officers, including, I understand, about 7 or 9 lady deputy commissioners of police. And as we have seen more than once, I think our lady officers are really complementing the work of the male officers in an excellent manner because they are more empathetic towards women and children. And somehow, I think they have due to their, maybe psychological setup, they are able to deal with people in a more humane manner. We know that at the beginning of the pandemic here, particularly after the lockdown was announced by the Prime Minister and broadcast to the people, there were a few instances of police excesses that took place in the city, which to some extent the police came in for a certain amount of criticism. Fortunately, Mr. Bhaskar Rao took immediate corrective measures when this complaints and criticism was expressed, came out in the press and in other forms of public. And due to this, after that, the police have been, I should say, behaving in an admirable way so as to get the support and cooperation of the people in ensuring that this lockdown is properly implemented and very few cases of any violations are noticed. This is one of the reasons why the pandemic has not spread very much in Bangalore as compared to other cities. We have just got a few red zones and most of the city, I would say, is very much in the green zone. So this is one thing. The Bhaskar Rao has also reached out to his own force time and again. I'm told he has utilized the advantages of being able to, the things like the mobiles or the wireless to reach out to his force in large numbers. And this has also helped him convey what he wants to the members of the police and get a feedback also from them. So this has also been one of the things, utilizing all these technological developments to ensure that the message is conveyed to every rank and file of the department so that they know what the head of the department is doing, what his thinking is and what he expects from the men. So with all these I think advantages, certainly I wish to say that we are really fortunate in having a person like Mr. Bhaskar Rao as the present Commissioner of Police, and I wish him and the Karnataka Police and all the officers there, particularly the city of Bangalore, all the very best in completing this job successfully and ensuring that we come out of this problem at the earliest. Thank you.